Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use conditional formatting to color entire rows in Google Sheets based on specific criteria. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's say you have a task list with due dates, and you want to highlight the entire row if a task is overdue. First, select the entire range of your table. Now go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. Under the Format rules, change it from cell is to custom formula is. Here is the key part. Enter a formula like this: equal $C2 less than today and then bracket. This assumes column C has your due dates. The $sign before C locks the column. So the rule checks the date in column C for each row. Pick a background color, maybe light red, and click Done. Now any task with a due date before today will automatically highlight the entire row, not just the cell. It's super useful for tracking deadlines, missed tasks, or even filtering data visually. You can repeat this with other rules too. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.